Hello everyone. I cut 5 circles out of felt and folded over. Look, there's just a little bit left over here. I'm going to baste it. I'm using kite string, but any strong thread will work. Bast it. And I do the same thing with the other circles. I fold it over and baste as I go. I've basted everything. Now I pull it tight so it's nice and snug. That's why this thread needs to be a strong one. I tighten it and I make a little stitch to finish it off. You'll see that it's very easy to make this decorated pen. I covered the pen with yarn, but you can cover it with ribbon or whatever you find prettier or easier. To make the head, I cut a 9 centimeter circle. I'm gonna make a yo-yo and fill it with stuffing. I stuffed the head until it became nice and round. I cut fabric measuring 11 centimeters by 5 centimeters. I bring it together here, see? Fold it, bring it together in the middle. Fold it again. Run your nail over it or use an iron. So it looks like this. It's easier for us to glue it later. I'm going to leave this part facing up. We position it on the head first, see how it's going to look before gluing. It has to look like this, guys. I cut fabric measuring 7 by 5 centimeters. I fold it in half. And I'm going to hand stitch here, see? Even those who don't have a sewing machine can do it. I'm going to close all the way around. I sewed it. I make a notch here in the middle. Just enough to turn it right side out. This is the easy, quick way to make a little bow. To finish, we're going to glue a 3 centimeter circle. Look how beautiful it is, guys. I'm in love. And here on the channel, there are several decorated pen designs. Each one is more beautiful than the last. I'll leave the link for you below in the video description and also in the pinned comment. If you liked this video, like, share, and leave a comment. See you in the next video. Wishing you health and peace.